Hi there, I'm Aloysius, and this is Hanson.
Welcome to the Robotics Technology Society. Dubbed 8059 Blank, we are Anglo-Chinese School Independent's official robotics CCA.
So, the club is composed of 3 sections: the Robotics Competition Team, the Coding Competition Team, and Tech Squad. These sections cater to the various interests of our members, with the Robotics Competition Team catering towards those who are more inclined towards robotics-related competitions, the Coding Competition Team catering towards those who are inclined towards programming-related competitions, and Tech Squad catering towards those who are interested in 3D printing-related technologies and competitions. Of course, members are able to join multiple sections and participate in competitions in all 3 sections.
Founded in 2006 by a group of students interested in the field of robotics, we've truly grown into what the club is today. The original members coined the team name Blank, a playful yet definitive name symbolizing the club's unwavering originality, open work culture, and the desire to create unconventional solutions, aptly encapsulating the spirit of the pioneering group. Over the next few years, Team Blank caught the attention of the robotics community with their unconventional designs and envelope-pushing concepts. The teams were unafraid to face up against the strongest and most established competitors in Micromouse, RoboCup Soccer, and dozens of other competitions that they could spend their time on.
Inspired by the success of the previous generations, the team continues a strong, multifaceted set of traditions, such as student-led and student-focused training, a commitment to open discussion and teamwork, as well as an emphasis on innovation and confidence in juniors to ensure continuity. With a renewed focus on exploring fresh opportunities for members at the school, national, and global level, we continue to push boundaries through diversification into the various fields of STEM.
Initially composed of a small group of students interested in STEM, our club has grown and developed immensely, gaining invaluable experiences and achievements. Every year, our members test their engineering and programming skills at national competitions, such as RoboCup, the Victoria Junior College East Zone DSTA DSO Robotics Challenge, Singapore VEX Robotics Competition, and MakeX Singapore. At a higher level, members will be selected to participate in international competitions such as the VEX Robotics World Championship and MakeX World Championship.
VEX Robotics is one of the most globally recognized educational robotics platforms, where more than 20,000 middle school, high school, and university teams face off in over 900 tournaments across 45 countries. The top 1,200 teams will qualify for the World Championships in the US, where the best teams around the world interact and compete. We've come a long way from our humble roots, achieving excellence in a variety of competitions. In 2018 and 2019, we managed to clinch the title of High School Division Champions, even ranking 3rd in the VEX Robotics World Championships, and receiving a variety of accolades, such as the Amaze and Innovate Awards, to name a few.
We have also had the honour of representing Singapore at the first Global Challenges, and our team clinched the silver medal at its inaugural competition in 2017. Only a year later in 2018, we came back even stronger, achieving gold, silver, and bronze medals. In 2019, we ranked 4th in the qualifications out of 189 participating countries, 5th in the final playoffs, and the silver medal for the Changheng Award for Engineering Design.
In our club, we strive to improve our technical know-how and our ability to work well in teams. As such, our members undergo extensive hands-on training to strengthen their mechanical aptitude, working in groups to build up a sense of camaraderie and closeness with their peers.
We give our members the flexibility to come to the lab as much as they want on top of official hours, to allow them to explore and learn dynamically. And we ensure that our students have access to the best resources we can provide, allowing them the freedom to experiment without limitations.
Our club has a culture of one win, all win, so everyone helps and teaches each other new skills, creating a synergistic atmosphere of mutual learning and cooperation. Senior members frequently sit with junior members to explain and correct misconceptions, broadening understanding in a relatable manner.
In today's technology-oriented world, programming has become an essential skill to capitalize on in the lucrative market of robotics and technology. That is why our holistic training modules encapsulate programming as an integral aspect of training in our club.
As part of Tech Squad, we specialize in designing and creating tangible products for a wide range of competitions revolving around the theme of technology. We design our products meticulously using computer-aided designs, or CAD for short, and bring them to life with the assistance of 3D printers. We also prototype and develop a multitude of apps for both iOS and Android. We use various coding languages to develop apps such as Swift and Java. App development is a very useful skill in the booming app industry, as it can allow us to put our works into the pockets of people who benefit from our applications.
We have participated in many prestigious tech-centric competitions, such as the Singapore Digital Tech Blazer Awards competition, which is the nation's highest accolade for tech innovation, which provides recognition to Singapore-based organizations with exemplary innovation in the development of tech products. We participated last year and managed to clinch the Bronze Award in the Student Tech Blazer category. With their product MedX, we programmed a smartphone app using MIT App Inventor to work in conjunction with an automated pill dispenser that we designed and 3D printed ourselves. We created this entire project from scratch, down to every last detail. Yet another tech competition we are currently participating in is the SUTD 3D Printing and Design Innovation Challenge 2020. We currently have multiple teams participating in the competition who are designing and creating their own innovative products from scratch.
We also use Autodesk Fusion 360 and Blender to make computer-aided designs to engage our creativity to make 3D models that can be printed. CAD can be used to make 3D models to test the reliability and efficiency of certain mechanisms through the use of animations. This can prove to be especially useful for the robotics competition team to test various mechanisms.
In order to bring these computer-aided designs to life, we use 3D printers. With the availability of 3D printers, we can make a 3D model of any size and shape we desire within the constraints of the printers themselves. This opens up a new realm of possibilities for innovation from students. We have a multitude of 3D printers in the Digital Makers Zone.
Speaking of which, the Digital Makers Zone, or DMZ, is the first ever fully student-run Digital Makers Lab in Singapore. We run the lab and maintain all the 3D printers by ourselves. We also host training sessions for both students and faculty in different areas such as simple robotics courses and 3D printing courses. We are also planning to roll out simple courses on Arduino, microbit, and coding soon. In addition, we also run school-based competitions for students in our school to compete and stretch their creativity and innovation, such as the IDEX competition we recently organized. Students were tasked to build a Rube Goldberg machine and have as many steps as possible in order to score the highest points.
In Coding Competition Team, we seek to explore the world of programming, which has become increasingly relevant in the information area of today. We focus on the areas of competitive programming, hackathons, and cybersecurity to let our members gain fruitful experience of high-performance algorithms, industry-based app development, as well as the finding of cyber vulnerabilities. We participate in a wide variety of competitions in order to hone our skills and expand our knowledge, such as the prestigious National Olympiad of Informatics for Competitive Programming, hosted by the National University of Singapore, where we managed to clinch 3 silver and 5 bronze medals last year. One of our members was also given the Special Mention Award for the youngest medalist in the entire tournament.
We also participated in the Cyber Defenders Discovery Camp, where we won a silver award as well as Cybersecurity Challenge Singapore, where we managed to gain 2 top 6 individual awards as well as the Team Champion prize. In the recently concluded Cyberthon, our team won the Data Science Award and also came in overall 3rd. And the team was invited by the Ministry of Defense for the Cyber Defender Scholarship interview.
To achieve this, we make use of a twice-a-week training schedule where we alternate between learning theory and participating in hands-on activities so as to reinforce understanding. Theory lessons are conducted by senior members who pass on their knowledge and experience to junior members, while hands-on activities are carried out through projects and competition preparation, such as program development aimed at applying concepts learned.
We make use of online platforms to train our members, allowing them to continue learning or working on their projects at their own personal time. We use HackerRank as the platform to conduct programming lessons, as we can use it to create in-house problem-solving challenges for them to solve to develop their programming ability. In order to ensure that we are well prepared for competitions, we will focus on programming in Term 1 and Term 2, with senior members attending training in preparation for the NOI held in March. Afterwards, we will move on to cybersecurity and app development in Terms 3 and 4 to train for competitions such as CDDC held in June and CCS held in October.
We also conduct community outreach sessions, teaching new faces in the robotics world the basic skills needed to explore their design and engineering talents. Our most recent outreach program was a collaboration with Google Singapore and the Robotics Education and Competition Foundation. We conducted a kid-powered workshop to provide young students between age 7 and 16 a chance to explore robotics and technology. Over the 3 days, we interacted with more than 100 participants, using the VEX Robotics program to share our experiences and skills. Apart from big-scale events as such, it has been a tradition of the Robotics Club to conduct community services at schools new to the robotics field. We go down to the school and provide younger secondary school students with the resources to explore this interesting world of robotics. In some cases, the students end up initiating their own robotics club in their school. Through this, we create new STEM opportunities for young faces in Singapore.
We've talked so much about club's work and achievement, but it bears mentioning the most rewarding aspect of our CCA, the sense of community and purpose we have here. Our teams may be razor-focused when we need to be, but we also know how to enjoy ourselves. When you join the ACSI Robotics Club, you're joining a group of fun students who treat each other with equality, respect, care, and a love for all things cool, not just cool robots.
Joining the Robotics Technology Society has been an incredibly empowering and exciting opportunity for our past and present members. We've all had the journeys of our lifetimes, and we hope that you'll be able to join us to experience the club for yourself as well.